Hi, long time no video, but today we have here Harley Davidson digital speedometer, and seems that it was used in many models such like Street Bob, Softail or Lowrider and many others. And the part number of this speedometer is 709000651. And the problem with this one is that there was a lot of water inside bottom section. So let's try to open and check what is inside, and if it is enough to clean it, or there will be more damage. Let's check. And to open it, first you need to remove this plastic. There are clips like here, here, here and here, and yeah, you can remove it. Okay, we see crack here. So this how possible that water came into the this section. Then at this side you need to remove some kind of glue which was all around here, here and here, and you need to remove 2 screws which were also under the glue. This glue is very soft and you can remove it with screwdriver very easily. Okay, screws removed, glue almost removed as well, and let's try to move it. Okay, we have big crack here. We see water. Was here. Oh, and also I see that this part kind of little bent, and there is some sort of corrosion under the PCB. So we need to open it deeper. Okay, to open it further, seems that we need to remove this glue. And let's check. And now let's push. Okay, it opens. And what is this? I see that this capacitor is falling out, and there is kind of I'm not sure what it is. Hell knows. And yeah, capacitor. It seems that possible track is missing. This capacitor. What else we can see? Big chip and many other components. Okay, capacitor fall off. Yeah, the PCB is a little bent. Okay, let's check it under the microscope. Visual inspection at first. Okay, I'm not seeing other damage. Only that seems this track is cut and no longer goes here there. Okay, but at first let's test the capacitor. Okay, and I connected two short wires to this capacitor to be able to test it. Let's check. Okay, it shows 444 microfarads, and he has marking 470. Okay, I found a similar capacitor in a random board. Let's try to remove it and test it. Mm, 460 microfarads. So looks better. We will use this one. And getting back to the PCB, let's try to clean it a little bit and check if track is broken or not. And track doesn't appear to be broken. It's just corrosion under the solder. Okay, let's consider that speedometer is fixed. or it was working previously, I'm not sure. I cannot test it without bike, but let's consider that everything is okay with it. But we have another problem, and it is this plastic piece. It is broken really badly in two places, and it has to be waterproof. I will try to glue it, but I'm not sure if it will be waterproof. Just let's try. Okay, we welded the plastic with the soldering iron, and let's try to smooth it with this kind of grinder. Okay, and now let's try to use some glue. I have this kind of glue. It is Acrifix 1S 0116. I do not know if it is good for such kind of plastic, but I will try. Okay, and let's add some glue from other side, from outside as well. Okay, glue has hardened, but I will apply another layer just to make sure that it would be more waterproof. And here we have it. The glue can be seen, but it looks something like that. Let's clean glasses and try to assemble. Putting screws back. And let's try to seal it with regular transparent silicone. and also some silicone all around the connector. Looks a little messy, but I didn't found better option. The groove is very small, and I filled it like I could. Let's leave it to dry out. And here it is. Silicone has dried. Looks like this. And all what is left to add this rubber, this plastic, these things, and connect to the bike and test it with the rubber and with the plastic. And let's test. Left, right, high beam. Seems working.